Chapter 1. Plants and Photosynthesis. Students could learn about the structure of plants, how they produce food through photosynthesis, and the different parts of a plant. Plants are complex organisms that play a vital role in sustaining life on Earth. Here are some key points to keep in mind about the structure of plants and how they produce food. Parts of a plant. Plants have several different parts, each with a specific function. The roots anchor the plant in the soil and absorb water and nutrients. The stem provides support for the plant and transports water and nutrients between the roots and the leaves. The leaves are where photosynthesis occurs, and they absorb light energy from the sun to produce food for the plant. The flowers are the reproductive structures of the plant, and they produce seeds that can grow into new plants. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of sugar molecules. This process occurs in the chloroplasts of plant cells, which contain the pigment chlorophyll that gives plants their green color. During photosynthesis, the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and energy from sunlight to produce glucose, a type of sugar, and oxygen. The glucose is used by the plant as a source of energy and to build new plant tissue. Plant adaptations. Plants have adapted to their environments in a variety of ways. For example, some plants have developed deep roots to access water in arid environments, while others have developed thorns or toxic compounds to deter herbivores. Plants have also developed different types of leaves to maximize their exposure to sunlight and minimize water loss. Importance of plants. Plants are crucial to the ecosystem and play a vital role in sustaining life on Earth. They produce oxygen, provide food and habitat for animals, and help regulate the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By understanding the structure of plants and how they produce food, we can better appreciate the important role that plants play in our world.